move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Chestertown, local and long-distance movers near me. Are you moving out of state or internationally? With 3 men and truck, you can enjoy every part of your big move, while we handle everything from start to finish. From packing your belongings to shipping everything, our movers will ensure the safety of your belongings till they reach your doorstep. Along with basic long-distance moving services, we provide access to all of the following moving services: packing your things to unpacking them at your new space, supplying packing materials for all your things. We are very punctual and do not allow any delays or cancellations of your scheduled move. We offer transparent pricing along with a free quote for your move. We are licensed and insured. We provide custom moving plan services at affordable rates. Even if your new home or office is only a couple of miles away from your old place, packing your stuff and moving everything is still going to be an exhausting job. Instead of dealing with difficulties all alone, let our movers at 3 men and a truck do it all for you. Within a few hours, we'll have you packed and resettled at your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chestertown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.